What's up guys, today's video is on the best laser levels. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Self-Leveling Laser Level. A quality laser level will offer you a range of options to ensure that your surface is straight. Different projections and features could help with a higher level of flexibility when using. This Tavel self-leveling laser level gets the top spot due to its versatility. When you need linear lines for flat surfaces, the level can create bright color red vertical, horizontal or cross line across any surface up to 50 feet. It can therefore handle all rooms in your home and can be used for projects that range from hanging pictures to as complex as putting in the kitchen with new cabinets or even a floor tile. This flexibility isn't worth anything if the laser isn't accurate. Fortunately, this isn't an issue with this model by Tavel. It can cast straight lines and didn't show any deviations during our tests. Self-leveling features take much of the stress out of setting up the laser and is extremely simple to utilize. Number 2. Johnson Leveling Crossline Laser Kit. If you are taking on tasks that require extraordinary precision, like building kitchen counters or cabinets or hanging doors, or hanging draperies, you'll require an instrument that you can rely on. That's exactly what you can expect from the Johnson Level and Tool 40-0921. Our tests showed that this professional-grade tool was simple to operate and leveled itself beautifully. It was in the right place for both horizontal and vertical beams. It dropped the laser's level on each side during our tests. However, it remained as precise as before and didn't show any damage. The range of usable for this level is as long as 100 feet indoors. This allows users to create horizontal, vertical or cross lines over big spaces. The most unique feature that this level has is it includes glasses in red that aid in focusing the laser beam, which we found extremely impressive. It's also an excellent choice when your projects are long, because the 3 AAA batteries are able to last for approximately 12 hours of continuous usage. Number 3. Huer Self-Leveling Green Laser. Most laser levels produce a red beam that is easily visible inside or under good lighting conditions. If you must utilize your laser level outside, you'll need a device that has the green laser that is more visible in bright outdoor. The Huer 621 CG emits the green beam in 360 degrees that wraps around a space on the horizontal plane as well as in 180-degree vertical line, which has the red dots. We found it easy to use and found that it was simple to spot the laser beam over the entire distance, perhaps throughout the yard. There are 2 brightness levels also, which could be helpful for those working in low lighting. The laser level will self-level at a distance of 3.5 degrees and is superior to many other tools similar to it. The manufacturer claims it is accurate to 1/4 millimeter within 33 meters. However, it was within the range of our tests. It lasted through the drop test without damages or impairments. It comes with 4 AA batteries and an adjustable magnetic pivoting base, but it's not the tripod. However, you can connect the base to any tripod that has either threads of 1/4 inch or 5/8 inch. Number 4. Bosch GL 2510 30 feet multi-use. The Bosch GL 2510 comes with a movable clamp for mounting that allows you to fix the device to any surface from 1/2 to 1/4 inch thick. This makes it easier to project a beam from angles that are otherwise difficult to reach. It's a great option for those who require an horizontal, vertical, or cross line that is high or in a place in which it's difficult to mount tripod. However, this isn't all the tool has to offer. We found it extremely precise, never having more than 1/16 inch of deviation. We also like the slim, clear, sharp red laser lines which were clear to see. The tool auto-levels itself within 4 degrees and keeps its accuracy 30 feet, which makes it an excellent option for indoor tasks, but it's not ideal for extremely huge rooms. It's simple to use and has passed our drop test without showing any signs of loss or damage. In addition to the bracket for mounting, it comes with 2 AAA batteries. It doesn't include an actual tripod, but it can be mounted on any tripod using the 1/4 inch thread pole. Number 5. Bosch 30 feet cross-line laser level. About the same size as tape measures, the Bosch GL 30 isn't going to take up much space in your toolbox. However, it is useful for use at home, whenever you want to make certain all lines line up. This level project the red laser beam that extends to 30 feet in precision. Laser lines are easy to spot close up or from an extended distance. The device is easy to use, performing the majority of the work by itself in terms of adjustment and leveling, which we liked greatly. It is equipped with an adjustable clamp that can be secured to any surface from 1/2 to 1/4 inches thick. And it comes with an adjustment knob with microfinest material to make it even more precise in adjustment. The instrument passed our drop test and worked flawlessly even after being repeatedly dropped. The laser level runs using 2 AA batteries that are included. It is not equipped with a tripod. However, you can put it on a tripod so long that the threads are 1/4 inch. This is an excellent option when you don't require a laser level for difficult tasks, but you wish to have one in case of instances when you need for a mirror to be hung with precision or perform similar things. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.